What's up, guys? It's Quick Gaming here.
So let's talk about Logan Paul.
What? No.
Just
Fuck
joking.
that.
Well, okay, read your
Okay.
line.
What? I was thinking that at all.
But it took you a long time to read. Oh, you fucking bitch. Okay, listen, you fucking slut.
Well, I just don't read scripts very often.
He says, I don't read script very often.
Mm-hmm.
This guy doesn't know English.
Actually, I think your handwriting is pretty.
That's
A relief.
a relief.
A relief. Yep.
Also, I like your dick. Even though it's short.
It's really descriptive. Wow.
It wasn't too short. I usually have longer dicks. Not all. I'm really glad you like it. I'll be honest, since it's our first time, I wanted to do something a little more mild. Something easy to digest, I suppose. Yeah, I loved your balls. Are you into ghosts, Yuri? Oh, that's you.
Uh-huh.
Actually, the story isn't about a ghost at all. Kvanal. Riley? I must have totally missed that point. Well, I suppose you did only glance over it after all. But remember that poets often express their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences in their own work. You should do more than tell a simple story or paint a picture. In this case, perhaps the subject of the poem is only being symbolically compared to a ghost, lingering in their past, remaining a place of comfort, unable to let go of their past. Soon be left of nothing.
That's a lot of solemn putting it in that way. I haven't even thought of that. That's impressive.
It's nothing, really. Well, it makes me happy that you think that. Just remember that won't be long before you pick up on these things, too.
I swear, one of them's going to have to lecture us about
How to be a gay faggot.
No, I bet one of them's going to lecture us.
Haven't you already, known how this game ends?
Yep.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I guess I'll have to keep trying. Oh, that's you. I'm counting on you. I'll wait to do fucking every because
I cannot wait till you see what happens.
Till the end?
Mm-hmm.
This is a good poem, Kvanal. Oh.
Okay.
She's special. Our poem literally just had random words together. Is that what poems are?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a rap. Nigger. 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 Fuck your hoe. Oh, this is recording. Okay, I have the N-word pass from 6th grade.
Okay.
I'm just joking. That's a dumb thing. It's a good poem, Kvanal.
Are you sure it's your first time?
What?
Of course.
You just fucked the other girl.
Yep.
Are you poor?
No.
You need help. Starving children in Africa be eating that.
So?
Bites.
Bites.
But there's bites.
Yep.
So it's fucking those little pizza things.
Mm-hmm. Of course. It's not that good.
And your dick's kind of small.
I am a kind of guy who would be writing poems.
Am I the kind of guy who'd be writing poems? You fucking nick.
Oh.
I guess you're right. That's why it impressed me. Well, to be honest, I was afraid that you wouldn't do it seriously, or that you wouldn't write one at all. I'm really happy that you just wrote one. Just reminds me how you're really a part of the club now. Not to mention the fact that I'm standing in front of you in the club room. Error.
Of course. I'm not really into it yet, but it doesn't mean I'll break my promise.
See, it's like I said before, anal cave.
Anal cave.
Deep down, you're not selfish at all. You're just like, I'm gonna fuck Ronald McDonald so his ass looks like the McDonald's sign.
Wow, I'm loving it.
I'm fucking it.
Okay.
I'm balls deep in Ronald McDonald. So you're not. That was from Cartoon's Humanity. It's like Carter said, facing your fear of clowns by raping one, and he's talking about is he questioning the fact that he's raping a clown? It's like, I am balls deep in Ronald McDonald right now because you're afraid of him. I am gonna make Ronald McDonald's ass look like the arch on the sign. Ew.
Okay.
After I fuck that ass up.
Okay.
Deep down, you're not selfish at all, you know. Trying new things like this for other people. That's something that only real good people do.
Thanks, Sayori.
Bitch.
I'm not sure if Sayori sees the full picture of my motives here. Then again, I did sell my soul for a cupcake. Still wondering why, but it was worth it.
Yeah. And I'm gonna make sure you have lots of fun here, okay? That'll be my way of
thanking you.
Thanksgiving you.
Alright. I'm going to hold on to...
I'm gonna hold on to you to that.
Then...
You're sounding so unenthusiastic. You should be like, thank you, I'll hold on to your dick for now. Yay. Now you'll read my poem too, right? Don't worry, I'm really bad at this. Ehehe. We'll see about that. Dear sunshine, the way you glow through my blinds in the morning makes me feel like you miss me. Kissing my forehead to help me out of bed. Make me rub the sleepy from my eyes. Are you asking me to come out and play? Are you trusting me to wish away a rainy day? I look above, the sky is blue. It's a secret, but I trust you too. If it wasn't for you, I could sleep forever. But I'm not mad. I want breakfast.
Breakfast.
I want breakfast. It's actually not bad.
Mark, click off. Okay.
Sayori.
This is just a guess, but did you wait till morning to write this?
No!
Shit.
Just a little bit.
You can't answer. You can't answer a little bit to a yes or a no question.
I forgot to do it last night. What the fuck is she doing with her body there?
Who knows?
I forgot to do it. I'm a T-Rex. Oh yeah, I said on the way from lunch, it was like, my mommy said I'm a special kind of T-Rex.
Yeah. I forgot to do it last night.
I forgot to do it last night.
Well, at least it makes you feel a little bit better about myself.
Bitch, can I just fuck your ass up?
Oh, wow.
Don't be mean. I still tried my best.
Yeah.
Your brother's gonna comment, why the fuck are you guys fucking?
I didn't mean to say that it was a bad poem. It came out nice, or should it?
That's what I say when I come. It came out nice. Or how should I put it? Sounds just like...
Sounds like you, Kvanal.
Yeah, when I come it just says...
Yep.
Really?
No.
Yeah. Especially the last time.
Especially the last line.
I made eggs and toast. Kill yourself.
Even though you were late to school.
It's bad to skip breakfast. Breakfast. I get all cranky.
Then I kill someone. Well, I guess there's no point in arguing.
When you're in 12th grade, you can use that as a graduation cap.
I'm going to do that. I'm gonna bring that. Okay.
I'm ready. Anyway, thanks for...
Anyway, thanks for showing me.
That's what my cum sounds like when it comes out.
Mm-hmm.
This was so much fun to fuck your ass up. Monica's the best.
Yeah.
The next time I won't forget. And I'm gonna write the best poem ever.
Well, I guess I'll look forward to it. Who should I show it to?
Who should I show it to? I'll show it to Jeff. Oh yeah, when I was going to get my coat before I came outside to meet you. I was just walking the hallway and just seeing random people walk. I said, hey, no running in the halls. I walked by Jeff and said, hey, no running in the halls. He looked like, what the fuck? And Gabe was walking backwards and said, hey, no running in the halls. And he's like, oh, okay. Monica? What are you eating?
Everything.
Hi, Kvanal. Having a good time so far?
Yeah.
Good. Glad to hear it. By the way, since you're new and everything, you ever had any Citizens Club? Like, I just realized how fucking long her nails. Look at those nails. Oh. Why are they like that?
Who knows?
What the fuck? Are you Freddy Krueger? Are you Freddy Krueger?
Okay, let's continue.
If you ever have any suggestions for club, like new activities or things we can do better, I'm always listening. Except I'm deaf. In both ears. I am blind in both ears. Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Of course, be afraid to bring things up. Much better if just going with the flow until I'm more settled in. Anyway, want to share your poem with me? It's kind of embarrassing, but I guess I have to. Saw Kvanal and see if he does it.
Okay, let's continue anyway.
Let's just have him react to the words.
Yep. Wait, is it... Don't worry, Kvanal.
We're all a little embarrassed today, you know.
But it's sort of a barrier that we'll learn to get past. Yeah, that's true. Let's continue. I hand Monica my poem. Wow, I can't believe you actually hung up.
Voicemail. He hung up.
Okay, continue. Wow. I like it, Kvanal.
Are you special?
Really?
It's a lot cuter than I expected. Oh, did he answer?
Tap the right.
Hello? You need to react to this game, okay? You're in the video. Speak to the computer.
Kevin, turn up... Matthew, turn up the speaker. It's like the top right. See that speaker? There.
On?
Hello?
Are you guys recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're playing as Kvanal talking to little girls.
You little fucker.
Hey, I didn't make it that name. Nick didn't know how to spell it.
No. It was Nick and his little ass.
Kvanal. It's alright, Kvanal. Or Kvanal.
I don't even know what the fuck to even
Let's
say
just
that.
continue.
Okay, I'm reading her line. Oh, jizz. Oh, that's you.
Yep, oh jizz.
Yeah, Nick's voicing
Why'd
you.
say,
I'm voicing
Nick's
you.
voicing Kvanal and I'm voicing all the ladies.
that is not good.
No.
No! Stop, Kvanal. Oh, it kind of makes me think it's something that Suki would write. And she's a good writer, too. So take that as a compliment.
God damn it.
What? Aha. If you say so.
What are you doing right now, Kvanal? I mean, Kaven.
Kvanal. Kevin.
I'm getting the names mixed up.
I'm deciding whether or not to come to this fucking phone and beat your ass.
I
Wait,
bet you
I thought
will.
you said you couldn't come over, though.
Are you lying to us,
I'm gonna
Kevin?
come to this phone.
Are you lying to us, Kevin? Yep.
I'm not lying to you. I can't go over.
By any chance, have you read anything by Silverstein? Kevin, you're a bitch.
Shel Silverstein. Wait, why can't you come over? Though?
Maybe a long time ago.
Oh, you can't do
It's
it.
called,
Oh,
it's called life.
what
get
life?
one.
What life? We all have one. We're doing our one right now.
Yeah.
What? I'm not insulting you. I'm saying we all live a life right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, you want some surreal cereal? It's cereal that makes you think of existentialism.
I do not know.
Like, if there's no such thing as good and evil, did Hitler actually do anything wrong? I mean, he was doing what he thought was right.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
It makes a great point, and it's very sad that you do.
He's famous for telling all kinds of stories in just a few simple words. His poems can be funny, endearing, or even sad, and sometimes they're only a few lines long. They might even feel like they're written for kids, but if you talk to Jared from Subway, they can express views of the world that would apply to anybody.
I see. So, you're saying that I can get a $5 footlong?
Sort of. Maybe she's not an expert.
Right now, talking to me.
Oh shit, we only have a minute left. Yeah, you're in the video.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they can hear you.
What'd you say?
This is one of the most interesting videos that we have on the channel.
Doki Doki? Doki Doki Lit Club?
I don't even know why you guys are doing that series. It's so weird.
Oh, he told me to do it.
Yeah, just wait till the very
Because I
end.
haven't seen the ending, so he wants me to like be reacting.
I haven't. This is my first time even seeing it.
Yeah.
Have you been watching the videos? It's fine if you're
the
not.
videos on-
I know they're pretty cringy videos.
Okay. Well, we're gonna end the video here because we only have like probably 10 seconds. So yeah. And that shit. Okay.
Say bye, Kevin.
Yeah, say bye, Caven.